Welcome to Learning Excel. My name is Raphael. In this video now, we cover the waterfall chart. A waterfall chart shows a running total as values are either added or subtracted. And it's useful for understanding how initial value is affected by a series of either positive or negative values, as we will see here. Now the columns are coded, color-coded, so you can quickly glance which integers are positive and which integers or values are negative. And as you can see, the negatives are in red and the positives are in green. So how do you create this waterfall chart? Well, here, as you can see, the data, the courses bought and refunded by the month. So I've got a yearly month here from January to December, and I've got a target goal of what I'd like how many students to purchase my courses or something, and this is of course random. And then actually registered by month, and then the variance or the difference between the target goal per month and the actual registered. So how do I convert this into this so I can visually see where my months are increasing, as in November, which is obviously the Black Friday, and the poor months such as August here and April and May, maybe because it's spring vacation or something like that. So whatever we do, let's see how we can create that from the start. And here, as you can see, the legend. In this case, I would certainly keep it. It tells you the color codes, which is an increase in value, a decrease in value, and then the total. So let's see how we do that in this case. So I'm going to, again, delete this and delete it, and let's see how we do it. So the first thing I want to do, actually, is select the months, and only the months, don't select the title. Select the month, and then press Control, and I want the variance. I don't want the actual numbers, I want the variance, because that's what I'm trying to determine as to what is a positive value and what is a negative value for each month. And let me see how I did that. It's very simple. So if you see that this is the target goal that I wanted, this is the actual goal of how many students registered by month, and this is simply C minus B. So that's how I got the variance. So having said that, let's highlight January to December, Control, and look at the variance. And then, of course, go to Insert. And here, as you can see now, we'll look at the thing, and we can see the waterfall. So as soon as I click that, look at what it says. Use this chart shows cumulative effect of a series of positive and negative values. Use it when you have the data representing inflows and outflows, such as the financial data. So you can certainly do it there also. So let's, click on that, and there we go. And let's just increase it here and increase it here. And that's how easy it is to create what's called a waterfall. And now this is a graphic representation of all the negatives. So I can see immediately that I need to work in January and March and in August. And obviously in November, because of the Black Friday, I have larger values of positive values, meaning greater students have registered my courses. So again, I'm going to let you format that, but this is one of the initial ones. Now, as I mentioned in the previous versions of Excel, students who know a little more about Excel, of course you don't as you're beginning, can recreate this in other ways. But this is one of the new features of waterfall chart, that you can do it immediately and as simple as this. So I'm going to leave it here, and we'll continue with the next one. We'll talk about this chart. So I'll see you in the next video. So my name is Raphael, and this is Learning Excel. See you in the next video.